Is your Tesla Model 3 unresponsive? It might be stuck in sleep mode. This video will guide you through troubleshooting. Sleep mode is an energy-saving feature that shuts down non-essential systems after a period of inactivity, usually 12 hours. Common causes include 12-volt battery issues. Software glitches can cause the car to fail to wake up. Connectivity problems can disrupt the wake-up process. And potential hardware faults like faulty sensors or wiring. We'll cover the common causes, including 12-volt battery issues, software glitches, connectivity problems, and potential hardware faults. Before diving deeper, try a soft reset. Hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for about 10 seconds until the screen goes black and the Tesla logo appears. Next, open the Tesla app on your phone. Ensure you have a strong cellular or Wi-Fi connection. Attempt to wake up the car via the app. Also, check for any available software updates, as Tesla frequently releases updates that address sleep mode issues. As of late 2025, version 12.5 includes enhanced diagnostics. The 12-volt battery is crucial for waking up the car. A drained or faulty 12-volt battery is a frequent culprit. If you have a multimeter, check the voltage. It should read above 12.6 volts. If it's lower, try jump-starting the 12-volt battery. Note, the 12-volt battery is not the main battery pack used for driving. If you are uncomfortable with this procedure, consult a professional. Remember that cold weather and parasitic draws can accelerate battery drain. If the car is unlocked, try opening a door. This can sometimes trigger the system to wake up. If the car is locked and the app isn't working, use your key card. Tap the card on the B pillar on the driver's side to unlock the vehicle. Once inside, the car should hopefully power on. If not, proceed to the next step. If the basic steps fail, there might be a deeper issue. Consider connecting to Tesla's service tool to check for specific error codes. Codes like low voltage or CCU error can provide valuable insights. As of 2026, Tesla's service centers offer free diagnostic scans via the app. The 2025 Model 3 firmware includes a wake-up protocol for remote resets, so confirm your firmware is up to date. This often requires professional assistance. Many sleep mode cases are linked to environmental factors. For example, a 2023 Model 3 owner in Minnesota resolved persistent sleep mode issues during winter by insulating the 12-volt battery after a software update. A rental company with 2019 Model 3s experienced widespread sleep mode issues after a power outage, which Tesla fixed remotely with an OTA update, except for a small number needing battery replacements. These examples show that environmental factors and fleet management are key aspects of addressing sleep mode issues. Looking ahead, Tesla is integrating AI for predictive maintenance to monitor vehicle health and predict potential issues before they occur. Future models may proactively alert owners to potential sleep mode risks through push notifications on the Tesla app. By 2027, Tesla plans to introduce autonomous wake-up in new vehicles using sensors to detect proximity and wake preemptively, reducing the need for manual interventions. This innovative approach could drastically reduce sleep mode issues across the Tesla fleet. Keep your software updated to benefit from these improvements and ensure your vehicle stays current with the latest features.